Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. This is the part 3 video of Roman numerals. तो मैं बता दूं कि जिन्होंने अभी तक वीडियो पार्ट 1 एंड 2 रोमन न्यूमरल्स का नहीं देखा है देन प्लीज वॉच इट एंड देन कम टू दिस वीडियो. अभी तक हम रोमन न्यूमरल्स के 5 रूल्स पढ़ चुके हैं, हाउ टू राइट अ रोमन न्यूमरल एंड हैव डिस्कस सम सबट्रैक्शन केसेस. Now we will write some numbers, we will convert some numbers into Roman numerals. So look here, the Roman numerals which are fixed for the numbers, I wrote down here. I is for 1, B is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50 and C is for 100. Up to 100 we will discuss randomly. Up to 10, first is 1, it is I, it is fixed, right? For 2, we will break 2. 2 is 1 plus 1, right? And the symbol for 1 is I, right? And there is addition. So, we will repeat this symbol 2 times because 1 is added 2 times, right? Now it is 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? That is, we can repeat I 3 times here. Addition is there, the first rule, right? Now 4. Now you know that we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So we will take help of 5, that is V. We can write 4 as 5 minus 1. Now we will do subtraction here. For subtraction we will write the smaller symbol on the left hand side of greater symbol. Greater symbol is V. V is for 5, right? And smaller symbol is I. I is for 1. So we will write I on the left hand side of V, so that we get Roman numeral for 4. 5 is done, it is fixed. 6. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Right, now addition is there. So we will write the symbol on the right hand side of the greater symbol. The symbol for 1 is I. I will be written on the right hand side of greater symbol V, which is 6VI. 7 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1. We will take help of 5, right? Now see, 2 times addition is there and 1 is repeated 2 times. So we will write 2 times I on the right hand side of symbol for 5, V. This is VII. Next is 8. 1 can be repeated one more time, right? So we will write 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which becomes 8. Now 1 is repeated 3 times, so we will repeat the symbol for 1 3 times on the right hand side of symbol for 5. So VIII. Got it? Now come to 9. Now I symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we will take help of 10 to write the Roman numeral for 9. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Now subtraction is there. So we will write the symbol for 1 on the left side of symbol of greater symbol, which is X for 10. So we will write IX, which is 9, right? Next is 10, which is X. The symbol for 10 is X. Next 20. 11 to 19 you can do in similar way, right? 20 we can repeat or we can add 10 2 times, right? Which is X. Similarly, we can write 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. We have done this in the rules. Remember? X, X, X. Now we cannot repeat X 4 times to write the 40. So we will take help of 50. So we will write 50 minus 10, which is 40. Now subtraction is there. So we will write the symbol of 10 on the left hand side of symbol for 50. Symbol for 10 is X and symbol for 50 is L. XL is for 40. Come to 60. 60 is similar to 6. We have written 6 as 5 plus 1. So we, in similar way, we will write 60 as 50 plus 10. Right? Now addition is here. So we will write the smaller symbol on the right hand side of greater symbol. So L, X. X is written on the right side of greater symbol L. 70 is also, we will do in the same way. 50 plus 10 plus 10. Right? Which is L double X. Repeat one more time X. Now comes Now comes 80. X can be repeated one more time. So 80 is done. I am writing directly L triple X. Now come to 90. X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we will take use of 100. 100 minus 10. Right? Subtraction is there. So symbol for 10 will be written on the left hand side of for 100. X, C. Got it? For more understanding, let us discuss some random examples. 19. 19 can be written as 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9. Right? Now addition is there. So the Roman numeral for 9 is written on the right side of the greater symbol, which is X. X is for 10. Right? So here is X, the symbol for 10. And on the right side of X, we will write the numeral for 9. For 9, we have the Roman numeral IX. Got it? Remember, you cannot write 19 as 20 minus 1. Right? If you write it 20 minus 1, say 20 minus 1. Now, in order to write this in Roman numeral, you have to write 1 on the left side of 20. Right? And 20 is double X. And for 1 we have I, which is written on the left side. But we cannot subtract a Roman numeral from 2 Roman numerals. Right? Which is wrong. We will write 19 as 10 plus 9. Now come to 56. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. For 50 we have fixed symbol L, and for 6 it is VI. Remember? 49. 49 can be written as 40 plus 9. Right? So, for 40 we have the Roman numeral XL. 50 minus 10, right? Which is 40. And addition is there. 9. 9 is 10 minus 1. IX. बच्चे जैसे जैसे आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे वैसे ही आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स याद होने लग जाएंगे। सो आप बड़ा नंबर भी लिख पाओगे रोमन न्यूमरल में। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 91। 91 is 90 plus 1. 90 is 100 minus 10, xc. We subtract x from c, 90. And 1 is added, so we write the symbol for 1 on the right side, which is I. xc. I is 91. Remember that if you want to add two numbers, then write the Roman numeral for smaller number on the right side of the Roman numeral for greater number. Okay, and if you want to subtract, then write it on the left side. Write the smaller symbol on the left side. Okay, with this we have discussed how to convert some numbers into Roman numerals. With the practice आपको ये टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा। आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना अच्छे से ये टॉपिक क्लियर होगा। ओके, the topic Roman numeral is completed. In the next video we will come up with a new topic. One more thing to say, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you find this video fruitful, then please press the like button and share it with your friends. So see you soon. Bye bye, take care and keep learning.